Hi everyone. Are you facing any problems while operating a bank account or opening a bank account in related to AML complaints? Of course, we are getting a lot number of queries for the last 2-3 months in related to AML complaints while operating the bank accounts. The Federal Decree Law number 20 of 2018 introduces the law on anti-money laundering and combating of financing of terrorism and financing of illegal organization in the UAE. Cabinet decision number 10 of 2019 is implementing regulation for the same. To the AML CFT regulations, most of the financial institutions, banks conducts KYC before onboarding the customers. Based on the risk categorization of the customers, such banks conduct customer due diligence or enhanced due diligence. It is observed that most of the banks in UAE conducts enhanced due diligence at the time of opening the bank accounts of designated non-financial businesses and professions (DNFBPs) and is insist on updation thereafter at a regular interval. And also existing customers, those who are under DNFBP, they are asking to provide this type of information to update in their system. The activities are categorized in DNFBP as per AML CFT regulations are brokers and real estate agents, dealers in precious metals and precious stones, lawyers, notaries, and other independent legal professionals and independent accountants when preparing, conducting, or executing financial transactions for their customers when they conduct specified activities, and providers of corporate services and trust upon performing or executing a transaction on behalf of the customer. Therefore, when DNFBPs are in process of account opening with the banks or updating the KYC documentation, the banks issues AML questionnaires and requires an undertaking that the DNFBP has put in place policies and procedures to combat money laundering. The banks ask for various documents and details. For example, DNFBP's AML CFT policy, registration on the GoAML portal, details of compliance officer, AML CFT training and record retention, AML CFT audit through AML CFT regulations already mandate the DNFBPs to register, document and implement measures for combating money laundering and terrorist financing. The requirements from the bank echoes the compliance to AML CFT regulations. We, ECAG, Emirates Chartered Accountants Group, can support you in all about AML compliance, starting from registration of GoAML portal, then preparation of policies, procedures and guidelines, and the AML training.